we are working to prototype a fully electric bi-copter UAV meant to cater the needs of various market segments.
Typical scheme aims to employ two servo actuators, two thrust actuators, FOC drives, flight controls and radio links. Motor drives, FCB and radio links would be made completely from Texas solutions for added reliability.
So, you have used quads, gliders, many flight controllers in market. What issues you face most?
So the issue usually we face is low RPM failures with all AIDCs. Always RC system fell abrupt. Then they lose the sync. Not so good at torques, and even the GUI is really bad in some of the cases.
We aim to integrate FOC drives for motor controls in UAV segment. What you suggest would be the outcomes?
Currently skateboards and stuff like that, we've used FOCs in that, but pushing FOCs to a bi-copter or unmanned aerial vehicle, I think it will improve the product performance considerably. I think it might solve issues such as low RPM or maybe the torque regulation.
What you suggest about market for this product?
The market is really huge. If you are able to integrate two FOCs in the one model itself, you have a lot of scope in capturing the market. Good rate of market capture can be done if you invest carefully at the right time in the right channels.